Hello everybody and welcome to my fourth Excel VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to reference rows and columns. So I've started a new book here, so we need to open up our editor again. I've already created a module. I'm just going to create another new sub procedure. So sub, and I'm going to call it hide rows, close brackets. And then I'm going to just put in here our new code. So with the rows, it's similar to range. So this workbook dot sheets, I'm going to want sheet 1 dot, and then instead of range, just put rows. And then we're going to put in the row that we want to hide. So I'm going to put in 2 through to 2, and then I'm going to put dot hidden. So rather than using dot value, you can use dot value on rows, but I'm going to show you a new thing you can do just on rows and columns, which is dot hidden, and then I'm going to set it equal to true. Notice how the true highlights the stuff blue because it's a keyword again. Now if we go back into our workbook and we run this, and what you'll notice is if we zoom in here, then it's now hidden the second row on our sheet, so we can no longer see it. So as we move between them, you can't actually see that it's there. You can unhide it the same way you normally would if you've just hidden it using the hide on here. Just click unhide, and then it's back again. But if we run our macro again, then boom, it's gone again. So you can also, so we've set it to true. So we copy this sub and create a new sub. So if I'll just write it again. So sub show rows. Make sure if you're writing a new sub procedure that you give it a new name. Don't just have the same name because then it won't work. So it won't know which one you actually want it to run. And then just type the same thing again. So this workbook dot sheets sheet 1 dot rows 2 through to 2 dot hidden, and then equals false. There we go. So if we go back into our workbook now and press Alt and F8, and then click on the show rows macro and run this, and then you'll notice that voila, it's unhidden the row. You could do multiple rows if we go back into here. So if we hide 2 through to 4, say, and then unhide 2 through to 3, and then we run these. So if we hide the rows, then that's going to hide multiple rows there. If we then do show rows, then it's still going to keep one of the rows hidden, because if you notice when I was typing it in, I only unhid 2 to 3. So the row number 4 is still hidden there. Now this is very easy to switch to columns. So all I'm going to do is copy and paste this and then switch a few things around. So copy, paste, because I'm feeling a little bit lazy, and then just rename these to columns. And then rather than referencing rows, put in columns here. Because the columns have letters as their names, then we need to use the letters. So B through to C, and then unhide B through to B. And then if we run these, so Alt and F8, so hide columns, run, and then it's hidden columns B through to C, and then show columns, and this is because I've not forgotten to put columns in here, so that's just an example of how my laziness comes back to haunt me. Press play, and then it's hidden it there. Well, it's unhidden B, but it's left C hidden still. So that's it on rows and columns. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoy my videos, then please subscribe to my channel so you'll catch all of my future videos. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.